my latest little toy. Now they say 82, but that doesn't mean cc's, that's just a model number. Same as this, 92. It's just a model number. But this one's got Mark 2. And if you go looking for parts, there's a Mark 1 and a Mark 3. But this one's got no mark. Not sure what's going on with that. But it's got a different side puller. I just put some petrol and some oil in it. The oil cap, I had a hell of a lot of trouble re-threading that going in. It just didn't want to go in, not square. So I haven't started it yet. It came down through post quite quick. It was clean and all that. But I'm curious to see how well it starts. Came the usual crap. A bag which I won't use, earmuffs I won't use them. Scrunch. Chewing stuff. Usual crap. But I'm going to give it a bigger bore. Now I don't know who makes this, but the quality is not that good. If you look at the side of the cylinder there, it's a bit sort of, how you going? So I don't know if the Nicosol plating's any good. It says they have pretty good transfer chambers. The ports aren't that big. The exhaust ports are alright. It's a twin ring piston, which I prefer. Twin rings seem to hold the compression better. And Husqvarna's got the stupid design pistons. I'd sooner have window pistons. I don't know why they do that. I like their intake on them. I like their boots. The flexible boot seems to be a good idea. They wear out over time, but it's alright. Decompression valve, that's good. I'm a solo man, so I'm trying to find something I can replace. You can't get parts for solos easy anymore. The build quality's a bit funny on this. I think the cover's, I'm not sure if the cover's bent or what that goes. Don't understand, something doesn't feel right. The other one seems to go on easily. Maybe it's the spark plug. No. Seems to be the way the plastic is. It just shows you. It seems to be that the quality's getting cheaper and cheaper. But seems alright. See if I can pull the side cover before I start. Not need tool for that one. There's the tool. There we go. Might have to pause.